Primetime news this evening. More positive signs for the economy. District Constable gets legal representation as calls grow louder for answers in the disappearance of a St. Andrew woman. And a licensed firearm holder who rescued nurse from robbers speaks out.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also in this evening's package, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what can be done to lessen the risk of natural disasters in the country? Or rather, that was a past question. Our question this evening is, are you interested in purchasing an electric vehicle? Why or why not? Now you can share those comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica or tweet at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.